Thank you for sharing your new year with us. Welcome, y'all. Have a great run. Good luck to y'all.
My wife and I are the race directors. We've been doing this for 20 years now, and we've grown the race from about 20 runners to 700 runners. It's the best way to start a year off. It's the most positive thing you can do in your life. Start the year on a positive note, and the rest of the year has to be just as good.
Well, not only do I start my year, I flew from Orlando this morning to be here. So just for this, because I think running marathons is a big mental sport. If I can get up in the morning, come here, run my 150-second marathon, mentally it sets me up for the year.
We came for the bling, the large 3-pound medal.
We were sold when we saw the medal.
3, 2, 1, Happy New Year, let's go!
The course is 4 loops for the marathon, and 2 loops for the half marathon. It's 6.5 miles, so you run out 3 miles to the lake, and then make a loop and come back here, and we have snacks every 6.5 miles. And when it's all over with, we have hot pizza delivered every hour, and cookies and all kinds of fruit and cokes and things like that.
They've got interesting and fun little points along the way they put up just for the runners. And then you come back and it's very well fortified of water and, like Steve said, after the race, pizza and juice and everything to keep you going.
Believe it or not, I was with Steve on a run when he came up with this. I've known Steve Boone for about 25 years, and we ran together in Kingwood. And he wanted to do this marathon in Kingwood. He gave me this whole marathon layout. I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do loops, I'm gonna get people, we're gonna give the money, the proceeds to charity. And I thought to myself, this will never get off the ground. And he got the thing off the ground. He does it for a cause, and if Steve's involved with it, that's something that anybody who has any moral conscience should be involved with.
We started a running program here in this community 27 years ago. All the money goes to the running program for kids, always has. So now the program's grown from one school with 14 kids to over 10,000 kids a year. If you don't make them part of the community, then they'll never be part of the community. So getting out there, getting them running, sharing this experience with each other is a good thing.
The beauty of the organization is the community of mutual support and mutual respect, because they know what you're going through.
There's a lot of involvement from both spectators and the participants, and the spectators have no idea how much the participants really appreciate them coming out.
They not only are cheering for you everywhere you turn, there's cowbells and banners and yelling and so much support.
Like during, you're struggling a little bit, you're tired, but you pull through it, and once you're done, you're like, where do I sign up for the next one?
The running community is interesting so far that they're just good people. I don't really ever try to run fast, I don't compete, but I do enjoy the time with other people. It's a nice way to put the earth back into your soul, I think.